over Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning. And then
Point to the sign, Sarah. We're going to Trader Joe's. I love it. Today, for the first time.
Did I get in it?
You did.
Oh.
I think you did. Today, for the first time, I'm going to Trader Joe's.
It's your birthday. Eat cake all day.
Huh?
That's adorable. I think this one's pretty funny.
And in the Ponca City Blackbird, 68 degrees today.
When they have your coffee creamer.
Strawberry yogurt Cheerios. Those are good.
Those look good. I want.
It's not. Oh wait, do it again. I'm sorry, it wasn't on.
Hello.
Yay! Okay, we just stopped by Bakes Bear. I feel like you can't. Where's the sign for it? There's no sign.
There is no sign.
There's no sign.
Cookie.
I did not, but I got a cute picture of you.
Photoshop cookie here. I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh, Ashley, you look really pretty in front of these plants. But
You're
yeah.
not in front of the plants. I'm kidding.
Solid 3. I'm just
Gorgeous when you're not.
No, your lipstick and the flowers. That's what I mean.
Showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there, that begins at 6 o'clock.